Today's homes are more likely to have hardwood floors than carpet, and a common question we are asked is, can I dry hardwood floors in place after water loss? The ability to dry hardwood floors in place is dependent on a number of factors: amount of moisture, response time, type of wood, method of installation, and degree of water damage already present. As with all water-related incidents, time is crucial. The longer the moisture is left untreated, the greater the risk your wood floor has for permanent water damage. Moisture affects floor types differently. Nails may begin to lift, glue may release, and tongue and groove floors often cup or buckle when moisture has been absorbed. If you decide to dry the floor in place, we have sophisticated drying equipment that forces airflow beneath the surface of the floor, allowing moisture to be released. This can be a slow process and take up to 7 days. On a side note, laminate wood floor, which looks like hardwood floor, are most often replaced. A restoration specialist can thoroughly inspect the damage to determine the right plan of action. They will work with you and your insurance company to decide the best option, drying or replacing the floor. The experts at Floodmasters have saved hundreds of wood floors with the use of their advanced drying equipment and over 20 years experience. We're here to help, so give us a call.